pounds of boost.
The turbo's laggy, so I'm going for a faster spooling turbo. So the next turbo's a Garrett 30 1050, which is rated for 1200 horsepower.
Jeez. These are front wheel or rear wheel drive?
They're all-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive?
Yeah, and I'm spinning all four right now.
God damn. See? Oh my gosh.
You almost got away from me on that one.
Shit.
Freeway is a lot more fun if she fully opens up.
That's crazy.
Now that one before I let off, that was 34 psi, 32 psi right there.
So when do you actually hit this 40? Like, are you actually able to do that sometimes?
Yeah, I'm able to hit 40. It just depends on like road, because this turbo spools up. I hit full boost at like 58, hit 6 grand, and I go all the way to 9,000 RPMs.
God damn.
So my peak boost is my third and fourth gear. Those are your money gears.
Right, right.
We have it set up for first gear. It's like 15 psi because we're on a boost by gear systems on the spin tires.
So every year you're at a certain amount of boost.
Yeah. I think he has me at 10 psi until I hit
until you at least hit third.
Until I hit third, yeah.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah. You can try it right here.
Like a $120. That's what's crazy.
And that one was 37.4 psi.
Oh my gosh. 37 pounds of boost.
Yeah.
And when you go to a bigger turbo, what happens then? Now you can go up even more psi?
We'll probably do different cams. I got GSC S2 cams for a 274 by 274. So we might go like the S3 cams and the porta potty heads. Those are 82 by 82. Bigger turbo, so we can spool up faster. Instead of me spooling up at 58, I'm gonna spool up at 48, and then the cams are gonna allow me to go to 10,000 RPMs instead of 8.5, 9,000 RPMs.
So right now you can go up to 8.9.
Yeah, 8.5 to 8.9 is where I can shift.
Okay.
Yeah.
And is it still a 5-speed?
Still a 5-speed. I got a transmission being built right now by Jax. We're doing forged gearing, heat treated synchros. Out my final drive to 418 final drive.
But it'll still be 5-speed?
Yeah, still be 5-speed.
Okay.
It's allowed my gears to be a little bit longer. So right now, fourth gear, I top out at 124. With the 418 final drive, I'll top out at 140.
Oh, goodness.
Yes.
When's the last time you put this on a track? Like, what was your like ET times?
Oh, that I haven't taken yet because I'm afraid of blowing my rear diff.
Right, yeah, because it's real sticky out there, yeah.
Yeah, so I haven't really done much dig racing. I'm just afraid to blow my T-case or rear diff because they're really, my torque is about like 540 to 560 torque.
Damn.
So,
my goodness.
as you